Wow, my room looks a hot mess. Actually, it's not as bad as it's capable of being, to be honest, because I haven't been going out. I've been stuck in this joint. So like, maybe if I was going out, I would have had like clothes everywhere. My makeup would have been all over the place, but nah. We're just inside chilling, which, you know, is for health and safety. I was trying to nip this in the bud real quick because your girl got plans. I need to go. What is up, you guys? It is Kristen. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we finna be spring cleaning, guys. Woo! So I have like certain sections of my room that I want to tackle. First, I have my bathroom vanity. Then I have my closet. Now I kind of already went through my closet and picked out a few things that I like wanted to give away. So that's what I have like right in a pile right in front of me right now. A junk drawer. I have a junk drawer. She's over there. Cables, bedside table, my nightstand, a whole nother beast. Stationery bin, like just a bunch of stationery stuff, and I don't need all of it anymore. And the last thing I want to do is change my bed sheets. Oh, also, I asked you guys to send me some questions for a little Q&A, so while I'm cleaning my room, I'm going to be answering questions. Thank you to everybody who did send me questions. Okay, so right here we have my bathroom. For my first question, how are you? Well, you know, thank you for asking. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, my brain is kind of all over the place. I'm okay. I mean, I could be like mad deep about it, but this ain't that type of video. But let's get to cleaning. Okay, so this is my eyeshadow drawer, and oof, I don't need all these eyeshadow palettes. Can you focus? There's some in the zinc that you can't see, so I'm gonna go through the ones that I'm either gonna throw away, because a lot of these are really old. Like, see which ones I want to keep, which ones I want to throw away, and which ones I want to give away.
Andre down in Givenchy.
Okay, what even is this drawer? We got pills, muscle rub, oh, a BTS face mask. That's cute. What is even going on here? Yo, what? Okay, Kristen. My mirror is dirty. I'm not cleaning my mirror right now, so that's just too bad. Okay, so the next question says fave songs right now. Ooh, okay. I wanted to do a playlist video, but I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Okay, yeah, so Oprah's Bank Account, I'm pretty sure y'all have already heard that song. Cash Race by Tinashe. Live Off My Closet, Lil Baby. Chilombo, the whole album. Church, BJ, the Chicago Kid. Crooked Smile by J. Cole. I know that's an older song, but I've been playing that a lot. That and Workout. Toxic, Kehlani. Captain Hook and BITCH. Yeah, I have a lot, but like those are few of my favorite songs right now. Okay, so this is my closet. Here's the gag, right? I was gonna go through my shoes and decide which ones I didn't want anymore, but I guess before I left for my spring quarter, I went through my shoes too. Fair not. We're still gonna answer questions. Do you believe aliens exist? My answer to this question is yes. I'm pretty sure there's some type of little creatures up there just crawling around, wondering if there's another entity that exists other than them. I don't know if we'll meet one day. That would be pretty cool. Unless they try to eat us, then that would suck. I don't know. Yeah, going through like the rest of my clothes, other than the clothes I already have set out to give away, that's like something I want to take an actual day for. Lights out. This is my junk drawer. anyway. So I have a bunch of popsicle sticks. This goes deep into the box. Like, what do I do with these? Modeling clay, more modeling clay, more modeling clay. Like what? What is even going on in my life? I have a headache. We're gonna ask another question, okay? How many times have you snuck out your house? Well, you're really trying to set me up. I've never snuck out the house. Now I will say that just one. I said that I was going one place and I went another place. It wasn't anything serious. We were supposed to go to the movies, and the time that we thought the movie was gonna start wasn't the actual time. It was much later and we weren't about to wait. Even if I wanted to, I couldn't. Like, we have alarms. There was one time in English class that I wrote about sneaking out the house. The lighting is getting worse and worse by the second. Oh my gosh.
Stop the mother music.
I found my hard drive. It was underneath my nightstand.
Are you dumb?
I feel delirious.
Bro, what is you doing?
Why is he recording me? Please
Bro,
let me know why
what
he's
is
recording
you doing?
This is my brother, Kiran. Okay, close my door though. Kiran, what is going on? I could not tell y'all what happened. So this is the last portion, I guess, of, oh no, I lied. I still have to change my sheets. But my camera battery is like pushing E. I'm just tired. Like, I'm tired. Like, I'm drained. I've had enough. Let's answer another question actually. Where's my paper? It's right there. Okay. How to build confidence to start a channel. For me, it took a lot for me to actually post about having a YouTube channel. When I first started out, I was like, whoever finds me, finds me. Like, that's the mindset that I had. Like, the people who you don't want to find out about your channel is probably gonna find out about your channel anyway. In terms of confidence, just make sure that you're doing this because you're passionate about it and not for like the wrong reasons, like the money or the hype or whatever. I know that I love filming and I love editing. Once you build your audience and people start tuning in and stuff like that, like, it's gonna be so worth it in the end. Like, one of the best feelings when you see that people subscribe or they like your video or they comment something really nice. And just think about that. Try not to think about the negatives that may come out of it, because at the end of the day too, you can't please everyone, and you know, that's okay. Like, I've come to the point in all of this where it's like, it's okay. I guess that's just a mindset you have to keep. You have to try and stay positive about it. It's not easy. And those haters, tell them to keep that same energy when you build your audience and people are really messing with your content. That's just that on that. Going through my bin, so that is done, guys. I am beat. Okay, next question. It says, what are you studying in college? Do you like it? Some advice on picking a major that you love. In college, I go to SCAD, Savannah College of Art and Design, and I am studying film and television production. I haven't started like my actual classes that directly pertain to my major yet. I'll be starting my film 100 class this quarter. Yeah, but think of it long term, and when I say long term, I mean like do you see yourself pursuing the job that you're going after for like 10 plus years? I know some parents force their kids into certain majors because, you know, it'll make a lot of money, and I get it. Like, the intentions are good. You want your child to be financially stable. I know for me, doing a creative, luckily I have parents who support it. So I know that's not the case for every parent-child dynamic, and it sucks because I could not imagine being in that predicament where I'm going to school for something that I'm going to pursue for the rest of my life and I'm not even happy with it. But my mom went out to a function and a family member asked her what I was trying to pursue. She said, well, she's trying to be into like television and film. And the family member was like, what? She's too smart for that. She needs to be a lawyer or a doctor. And when she told me that I ain't glad. I run me a little hot because I was like, it's like people downplay it so much. They think it's so easy. We just gotta draw a little picture and it's done. Like, it's, you just gotta think of it like, is this something I am totally into? So that's a lot. I hope it makes sense because my mind is literally fried at the moment and my camera's dying. Your mental health should come above a paycheck, in my opinion. And if you're a professional at that job as well, you're gonna be making money regardless. So don't let anybody else influence what you want to do. Like, be true to what you want to do, you know? So that's my advice. Oh my god. Right now it is 9:32, so I started at what, 3:30? I've been cleaning for 6 hours straight. Oh my gosh, y'all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more. That's it from me. I have a headache. Your girl's gonna go. Yeah.